guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, you read the title right. It's a no brand haul. And yes, if you are following me from the last couple of years, you all must be knowing my love for self-designed and tailored outfits. And I've also started a series, Shine Like Stars, too, based on the same concept. So in today's video, I'm going to show 15 of my very favorite outfits, very favorite pieces from my closet, which I have designed on my own and got them tailored from local tailors, local boutiques. And yes, we should support small organizations. They are extremely creative and they create masterpiece. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first outfit is this really pretty long dress. It's an Indo-Western long dress and it has embroidery throughout. And one thing that I had in my mind while purchasing the fabric for this outfit कि throughout embroidery हो, साथ ही weight भी ज़्यादा ना हो. So I finalized this particular fabric because it is chiffon, तो बहुत lightweight है and also पूरे में embroidery है and black is one of my favorite colors. And ये मैंने एक वीडियो के लिए लिया था and all in all I spent around 1200 for this entire outfit. Fabric, the tailoring thing, everything was for 1200 and ये fabric भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है and this looks so decent and mostly मैं इसके साथ मेरे पास एक बहुत cute सी black color की earring है, मैं वो पहनती हूँ तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. And the next piece is this really cute printed loose shorts, and while purchasing this particular fabric I was quite sure that I'll design a frock or shorts out of it, as the fabric, the prints is best suitable for these two, I think so. And ये जो print है ये थोड़ा sheen vibe दे रहा था तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा and all in all I spent 350 rupees on this one. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable and you must have seen me wearing this in one of my IG video. Next up is this very cute and floral cord set, and it is so beautiful, flowy and just perfect for summers. And while designing this particular cord set, I had this thing in my mind that I'll wear it separately too, and oh my god, I can't remember how many times I've styled this particular pant. And ये बहुत simple सा pant है, बहुत airy है, loose है, and the top along with this has thick straps and it's kind of a crop top. And all in all I spent around 1000 to 1100 on this, and this cord set is just perfect for days when you don't feel like dressing up. And the next piece is this really cute and bubbly 3-layered frill skirt, and this is one of the oldest piece that I have and मैंने ये अभी तक संभाल के रखा है and ये अभी भी fit आता है and these days I'm wearing it at home and it looks so cute on me. And if I'm not wrong, I don't remember really, I think I've spent around 450 to 500 on this one, and this is of chiffon fabric, so it's really cute and comfortable at the same time. And the next one is my lockdown birthday dress, and if you have seen my lockdown birthday vlog then you all must have seen me wearing this really pretty blazer dress. It's a blazer dress with a sequin all over and embroidery going on with the same maroon colored thread, and oh my god, it is my current obsession. I just love this. And when I went to shop for this fabric I was quite confused since they have so many colors, but I finalized this maroon color. And also while designing I added a belt along with this, and this is how they made it, and I feel ये बहुत neatly बनाया गया है. You can see the edges, the shoulder part, everything is just perfect and on point. And I think I've spent around 1500 for this designer dress, and which I feel is extremely affordable. And yes. And the next outfit is this wine colored jumpsuit, and I've never really shown this on my channel. ये wine color दिख तो रहा है ना, पता नहीं. Actually it is of wine color and I've never really shown this on my channel completely, तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, only the upper part was visible. And many of you went gaga with the design and the color and everything, the way it falls on the shoulders, and I just love this outfit. And this is just perfect for a virtual date. I think I should wear this on my next virtual date, and the way it flatters the body around the neck is just perfect. And if I'm not wrong, this is for 900 rupees and it is of silk fabric. It's a kind of silk fabric and it's just perfect for any virtual date or a video call. And the next outfit is this retro style kurti, and this is one of my favorite kurtis, and it has polka dot throughout. And जब मैंने ये fabric लिया था तभी ये decided that I'll design something with a retro vibe in it. And while designing I kept the same thing in my mind, and इसके puffy sleeves design किए थे जैसे कि 80s और 90s में actresses पहना करती थी, तो ये बहुत cute और बहुत retro look देता है. And yeah, the way they have tailored it is just amazing. You can see the sleeves finishing stitching, everything is just on point, and I was so satisfied when I wore this for the first time. And I think I spent around 500 for this one. और ये chiffon fabric का है, तो बहुत easy है, बहुत comfortable है. It's just perfect for college. And the next one is this net embroidered gown, black gown, and ये मैंने recently बनवाया था for the second episode of Shine Like Stars. And ये gown कंगना से inspired है, and this is just perfect, and just it looks amazing. It has satin belt along with net detailings here, and इस पूरे पे black thread से embroidery है, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा posh दिखता है, and I'll definitely wear it to my next candlelight dinner जब होगा तब. This is just beautiful. And the next outfit is this really beautiful and classic kurti. This is of silk fabric, and it is one of my favorite kurti. Throughout print hai, and it looks just classic at the same time. And while purchasing this fabric, I wanted to make a long skirt out of it, but then I finalized a kurti क्योंकि kurti is something that I can wear again and often. So kurti बनवा लिया मैंने, and overall I spent around 1200 on this one क्योंकि silk fabric था, तो it was quite costly, but it just brings out an all classic vibe for me. And the next outfit is this big and heavy gown right here, and I have designed it and got this tailored, and the color is so pretty, and it is some of those greens that I have in my closet, but I really love this one. It's so beautiful and बहुत ज़्यादा frill है इसमें, and I think ये अब थोड़ा सा लूज हो रहा है. I think I need to get it tailored क्योंकि I have started working out in 2020 and ये 2018 में बनवाया गया था, and it required meters and meters of clothes, and tailoring charge भी थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा लगा था. So all in all I spent around 2000 bucks for this one. And the next outfit is this really pretty dress. It is like a Barbie dress, and this is one of my favorite self-designed outfit that I have. It is just beautiful, and ये mid length का है, and this is again of silk fabric. ये थोड़ा सा costly था, and I have designed it in a different way with a decent neckline and mid length. So ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगता है, and I think आप लोगों को भी ये सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आएगा. And the next one is this really smart shorts, and this looks so good and so chic at the same time, and mostly I wear it along with a blazer. And ये जो fabric है, ये fabric भी blazer वाला fabric था. It was quite costly and thick at the same time, and I feel so good after wearing this. And I have spent around 600 to 700 on this one, and can't remember properly, but it was around that figure only. And the next outfit is a much loved outfit. It's from Shine Like Star episode 1, and this is inspired from Kriti Kharbanda, one of her outfit. It is kind of a replica of an H&M piece, and this is a one shoulder dress. तो ये बहुत designer है, बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, the way it fits me, the way it flatters the body like anything. And I spent 1100 on this designer dress, which I think is quite affordable. Next up is my New Year dress. ये मैंने New Year पे बनवाया था, and this is a lemon colored puffed sleeve dress, and this is again of mid length. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगता है, and I have designed it with mixing and matching a lot of inspirations all together. And इसके sleeves भी बहुत cute हैं, and the way it turned out is just amazing, and it's just perfect for a day out look. And I think if I'm not wrong, I have spent around 700 to 800 on this one, and this is just adorable. Last but not the least is this mustard colored dress, and it has small sparrows, colorful sparrows all over it, and ये भी mid length का है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा cute लगता है. And I have made a different sort of design for the back portion, तो overall बहुत अलग सा दिखता है. And पीछे back side का picture तो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है. I'll show it here only. And yeah, I think I've spent around 700 for this one, quite affordable and decent. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this and found this haul helpful. And since it's a no brand haul, so I won't be able to provide the links, but if you want any of these outfits custom made for you, for yourself, then DM me on Instagram so that I can let you know the details personally about the boutique and everything. And yeah, और क्या बाकी था, हाँ, give this video a thumbs up and please comment down आपको कौन सा outfit सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आया, और वीडियो रिक्वेस्ट भी डाल दो. एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल एंड फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. आई प्यार यू गाइज. बाय बाय.